Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're visiting the Cromwell, which is owned by Caesars Entertainment in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. It's located center strip and has a very English or British atmosphere, if you will. It's a great location, which is good because really not much is offered here regarding food or shopping or entertainment, with the exception of Giada's, which is owned by Giada De Laurentiis of the Food Network fame, and Dre's Beach and Nightclub. Basically, it's just a hotel with a casino. Very unusual for something in its location.
Just like Cabby in many of my New York videos, Mitzi the Las Vegas Rubber Ducky Showgirl shows up on many of my Vegas videos, including this one. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's very elusive, so keep your eyes open for her. If you spot her, note the time and leave a comment below. We'll give you a shout out on our next Vegas video. For those of you with plans to visit exciting Las Vegas, I suggest the Photo's Las Vegas Guide. It's written by locals and has lots of insider tips. Lots of pull-out maps and descriptions that will help you plan your visit with ease. You can check it out by clicking on the link in this video's description. It's the best guide out there to Las Vegas, and I wouldn't leave home without it, neither should you.
your winner by technical decision by medical stoppage, Serge Let's Never Casada.
This New York video has been brought to you by Audible, the world's largest selection of audiobooks. Listen anytime, anywhere you like to professionally narrated audiobooks, including bestsellers, new releases, sci-fi, romance, classics, and many, many more. Click on the link in this video's description for a free 30-day trial. As part of the trial, you get 2 free audiobooks to start with and 30% off any future audiobook purchases. Cancel anytime. Your books are yours to keep even if you do cancel. It's a great deal and you have nothing to lose by trying it out.
As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. On the right, you can click on my playlist of narrated photo videos or my playlist of walking 4K videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you around the city.